back on the Hampton Roads Show. Did you know that if you are any bit at fault in a car accident, you won't be able to recover anything? No money to get your car fixed, lost wages, or even medical bills, no matter how badly you are injured. It's called contributory negligence. And here now to tell us what it means is attorney Paul Hernandez from Kalfus Nachman. Okay, this seems like major lawyer speak to me, and I really have no idea what we're talking about. What exactly is contributory negligence?
I'm glad you bring it up that way, that you don't know what we're talking about, because most people don't. Most people don't know that if you are any bit at fault for your accident, you get zero. What that means, negligence means you do something wrong that causes an injury. Contributory negligence means the person who's injured may have done something wrong that may have contributed to that accident. Let me give you a quick example. If somebody is 99% at fault, they're going the wrong direction on a road, they're headed straight for you, and all of a sudden your phone rings and you just look at it and you take your eyes off the road for 1 second. You may be 1% at fault for that wreck. In Virginia, you recover absolutely nothing. Now I contrast that with other states. There's only 4 states that have this crazy archaic law. We're one of them. In other states, if the person who causes the accident is 99% at fault and you're 1% at fault, you would actually get 99% of the value of your case, which is totally different in Virginia. Right. People don't understand that. They call all the time. They go, hey, my car's wrecked, and and they said that I took my eyes off the road for a second, and they're not going to pay for my car. I've got $40,000 in medical bills. They're not going to pay for my medical bills. And it's this law that we have called contributory negligence that'll prevent you from making that claim.
How often does that come up?
Almost in every case, and I'll tell you why. The biggest point that I want to get across is the fact that insurance companies want to get to you before you have an opportunity to call an attorney. And the reason why is these people are trained. Look, you are but a number. All you are is a liability to an insurance company. They honestly do care nothing about you. They want to get to you, and these adjusters are trained to ask you questions that may cause doubt as to whether you may have some fault. They'll ask weird questions. Oh, did you have your phone with you? Were you looking at it? Were you texting it? If you say, oh, well, it was in my pocket or it was in my hand or something, they'll go, aha, you're at fault. You cannot recover. They are trying to eliminate your claim.
Now, when you are on the phones talking and answering these questions, are they taking notes of this? Should you not talk to them? Should they talk to a lawyer first?
Never, listen, it doesn't matter how many times we tell you. We tell you on our website, on our tweets, on our Facebook page, when we come out here and share information with you guys. Never talk to the insurance company before you have an opportunity to talk to my firm. And the reason why is this: it costs absolutely nothing to call our firm. We have toll-free numbers. You call our firm. We'll be happy to advise you before you have to call the insurance company.
All right, one piece of advice that you've been wanting to get across. What do you want everyone to hear?
Call Kalfus Nachman if you get involved in an accident before you talk to the insurance company.
Why is that so important?
Because we're going to have the ability to make sure you know how to talk to the insurance company, and you're not going to be tricked by an insurance adjuster that's their sole job.
That's great advice. Once again, Kalfus and Nachman, you can get in touch with Paul at legalmatters.kalfusnachman.com. Give them a call on the Hurt line, 1-800-HURT-LINE, and download the Kalfus and Nachman iPhone app. You never know when you'll need it. Paul, great advice as always. Thanks for coming in today.
Thanks, Chris.